everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to open a bank account with the Bank of Montreal, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the process so you can get started easily and securely. Let's dive in. Before we begin, let's quickly talk about why BMO is a great choice. Founded in 1817, it's one of Canada's oldest and most trusted banks. BMO offers a variety of accounts including personal, business, and savings account with great perks like low fees and online banking features. On their website, you can actually set up your account for online banking if you already have a BMO debit or credit card. But if you want to open an account on BMO, here's the things that you'll need. First would be a valid government issued photo ID like a passport or driver's license, your social insurance number, and a proof of address. If you're opening a joint account, make sure both account holders bring their documents. BMO gives you two options to open an account, online or in branch. If you prefer convenience, the online process is straightforward and can be done in minutes. But if you want a more personalized experience, visit your nearest branch and talk to a representative. Here's how you can open your account online. Visit www.bmo.com and click on the Open an Account button. Choose the type of account you want, such as checking or savings. Fill out your personal details like your name, email, and SIN. Upload a copy of your ID and proof of address. Review the terms and conditions, then submit your application. You'll receive a confirmation email once your application is approved. And that's it. Opening an account with BMO is quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips on managing your finances. Got a question? Drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.